Hi, an online business system red flag. It's Dell from Future You Success here. I just want to touch on something that people may overlook when they're looking to invest their hard earned money into an online business system or an online process, methodology of starting their and creating their business. And that is, yes, you'll do your due diligence, you will check reviews, you will see testimonials and all that type of thing that you would expect to do. But one key red flag is the business system you are looking to invest your money into a single point dependency system. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, it's the methodology, the process run by a founder, a guru, or something of that ilk. And what will happen if that person up sticks, moves away, decides to do something completely different? And it happens. It's happened to me. I'm not alone. So what you need to do is to ask yourself three key points. Number one is, if you put your money into something, are you able to carry on the process if the founder moves away or stops? The second thing you need to do is to see is, can you scale and replicate what you are building? Because if you are doing something, let's say in e-commerce, and you learn a system that, for example, is around furniture, can you copy that methodology that you're being taught into another product line or some other facet that will get you earning income? And thirdly, you need to make sure that it will stand the test of time, what you are investing your money into. You see things like fidget spinners and all this sort of short-term, earn money through this, that, etc. And again, I've looked at a lot of these things. So please satisfy yourself with those. But the key is the single point dependency. Will you be left high and dry, or is it something you can continue on with? Hopefully you enjoyed just that little bit there. If you want more hints and tips and my background, etc., it's all in the bios and the links, which I'll put down below. Leave a comment if you want to. I'll come back to you. And good luck with your online journey. Hope it all works out for you.